A flexible spending account, also known as an FSA or Section 125 plan, is a government-sponsored program that allows you, the employee, to set aside pre-tax dollars for certain eligible expenses. Under this program, you can save on your state, except in New Jersey, federal and FICA taxes, Social Security and Medicare taxes. The individual premium reimbursement account is used to pay for individually purchased health care coverage. Under this account, you may submit eligible premiums for you, your spouse, and eligible dependents. Eligible dependents may include spouse, children, domestic partner, and parents. For more detailed information about who qualifies as an eligible dependent, please visit our website. Premiums eligible for reimbursement through this account include individually purchased health care coverage, hospital insurance, prescription insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, cancer policies, COBRA premiums, disability insurance. Please note that we advise you not to sign up for this account to pay for disability premiums, because if you use this pre-tax program to pay for premium expenses, you will then be taxed on any disability benefit that is received. There are other types of premiums which are not eligible for reimbursement through this account. They include life insurance, car insurance, homeowners insurance, long-term care insurance, and employer-sponsored insurance. Before the start of each plan year, you determine how much money to put into your individual premium account. However, the annual maximum and minimum election amounts are determined by your employer. Please check with your human resources manager to find out what your company's limits are. This is also known as the once-a-year election rule. Once enrolled in the plan, you can only change your annual election amount if you experience a qualifying event. For a complete list of qualifying events, please contact your HR manager. Let's look at the way the plan works. The annual election amount is divided over the course of the plan year and deducted pre-tax from your income. Please note that there are some major differences between the individual premium account and the Health FSA. Unlike the Health FSA, the individual premium account is a pay-as-you-go account. You can only access the amount of money that has been actually payroll deducted to date. Your entire annual election amount is not available to you up front. Once you decide how much money to put into your individual premium account, your employer will divide that amount by the number of paychecks you receive in the plan year. For example, let's say you want to set aside $1,820 as your annual election and you get paid on a bi-weekly basis. Your employer will divide that amount by 26 paychecks. This means that $70 a payday will be deducted pre-tax from your paycheck. By using this pre-tax program, you save about $42 a month or $504 a year. We caution you to be conservative when signing up for this account. There is an IRS rule that states unspent dollars will be forfeited if you don't spend all of your FSA money by the end of the plan year. Be conservative when estimating the amount of money you wish to set aside into your account and budget for predictable expenses. If you have unspent dollars left in your account toward the end of the plan year, P&A will send you a notice reminding you to spend those remaining funds. Accessing your FSA funds is straightforward and easy. You can submit a claim for reimbursement with required receipts to P&A Group by using U.S. mail, toll-free fax, or email flexclaims@padmin.com. Once your claim has been submitted, you can track its status online at our website, www.padmin.com, or you can contact our customer service department either by phone or through our live online chat. We have representatives available to assist you Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Once the claim is processed, reimbursement is made either by check sent to you through the mail or by direct deposit into your bank account. Direct deposit is a faster and easier way to get your money. At P&A, customer satisfaction is our main priority. Let us help you maximize your spendable income and take advantage of the benefits you deserve.